Hello, I'm Crystal. Here is how you can write in English using direct and indirect speech. Direct and indirect speech. When we write the words a person says, we use direct speech. Let's listen to what Susan has to say. Hello. Indirect speech. Quotation marks go round the actual words the person said. Quotation marks can also be called inverted commas. So here the quotation marks are around the word hello. When writing direct speech, we need a subject, which in this case is Susan. We also need a reporting verb, which in this case is the past tense of the word say, which is said. The subject and reporting verb can come before or after the words. When the verb comes first, a comma always goes after it. So we have Susan said, comma, open quotation marks, the word hello with a full stop, then close quotation marks. When the subject and reporting verb come after the spoken words, there is a comma before the closing quotation mark. So here we have open quotation marks, the word hello, comma, close quotation marks, said Susan, then full stop. When the subject and reporting verb come after the quotation, the verb can come after or before the subject. So we can have hello, Susan said, or hello, said Susan. If you use a pronoun subject, it must come before the reporting verb. Hello, she said. There are many words other than said which can be used to show how a person is speaking. For example, if a person has spoken the words loudly, you can use shouted or yelled. If a person has spoken very quietly, you could use whispered or murmured. If a person has spoken a question, you could use asked or questioned. There are many more words which can be used instead of said. Some more examples are stated, declared, pronounced, uttered, exclaimed, and so on. Indirect speech is when we tell or report on what another person has said. We can use reporting verbs such as said, told, and asked when reporting on what someone else has said. Let's listen to what Susan says now.
I hope that everyone has a good day.
To tell or report on what Susan said, we would write, Susan said that she hoped that everyone had a good day.
Keep up the good work.
Susan told everyone to keep up the good work.
How is the work going?
Susan asked how the work was going. Goodbye, everyone.